Welcome to our fifth explainer on the National Health Claims Exchange. Today, we'll discuss why NHCX integration is a major architectural challenge. It is not just another API task for your team.
This quote really captures the core idea. Integrating with NHCX changes how your systems must operate. It forces a fundamental shift in your internal processes.
So, we'll walk through 6 key topics today. Understanding these is critical for leading this change. Let's begin.
First, let's understand why this is so different. It represents a move away from custom bespoke solutions. We are all moving towards a single national standard.
Before NHCX, everyone built their own custom integrations. This created a very complex and fragile system. Now, NHCX replaces all of that with one protocol for everyone. Now we come to the most significant technical change. NHCX uses asynchronous communication. This model will likely be new for your teams. Think of it like this. Synchronous communication is a live phone call. You get an immediate answer. Asynchronous is like sending a letter. You send it, and you wait for a reply to arrive later. Here's how that flow works. Your system sends a request to the gateway. The gateway immediately confirms it received the request. The payer then processes it on their own schedule. The final response arrives later at your callback endpoint. And this is a very crucial point. An HTTP 202 response is not a success message. It only means the gateway has accepted your request. It does not mean the request is complete. This new communication model directly impacts your system architecture. Your entire design must adapt to this asynchronous flow. Your systems will need 3 core capabilities. First, secure webhook endpoints to listen for responses. Second, a robust way to manage the state of every transaction. And third, unique correlation IDs to link requests to their eventual answers.
Failure here has very serious consequences. A dropped callback is not a simple technical error. It means a lost claim. This creates direct financial risk for your business.
Next, let's talk about the data itself. The entire NHCX system uses a single mandatory data language. This language is called FHIR.
Using FHIR is not optional. It is the only language the network speaks. Everyone must use it. This is what ensures true interoperability across the ecosystem. All of your data must be structured into FHIR bundles. You can think of these as standard containers for information. This work is often the most labor-intensive part of the integration. So, as a leader, you face a key decision. Do you build your FHIR capability completely in-house, or do you use external libraries to speed things up? This is a critical strategic choice you have to make. Now let's cover the strict protocols for security. We will also look at how the system handles errors. These are the defined rules of engagement for the network. NHCX security uses a 2-layer model. Think of an envelope and a letter. The routing data on the envelope is unencrypted, but the claim data inside the letter is encrypted. Only the final recipient can actually read it. Error handling is also a 2-part system. Technical protocol errors are sent in an unencrypted header, but business-level errors are sent inside the encrypted response. Your system must handle both types correctly. Now, let's look at the most common integration mistakes. These simple errors are often the biggest source of problems during implementation. You know, small mistakes can cause the biggest failures. Using the wrong status code is very common. Reusing a correlation ID is another frequent issue. These seem like minor things, but they will get your transactions rejected. So the crucial point to remember is this. The NHCX gateway is not a flexible API. It is a very strict, protocol-driven switch. It expects perfection, and any deviation is a failure.
The integration effort is definitely significant, but you should see it as an investment in a more efficient system. You are helping build the foundational rails for healthcare in India.
You are not just connecting to another platform. You are adopting a national standard. You are laying the foundation for a new era. So the final question is very simple. Is your architecture ready for the shift?